How to harness the power of the compound effect. Hello everyone, thank you for being here. Keep adding values is creating educational and valuable video contents. If you feel that you get value from this video, consider subscribing. I will review with you The Compound Effect by Darren Hardy. Let's roll on. How to harness the power of the compound effect. Jumpstart your income, your life, your success by Darren Hardy. Compound effect is always working in you, and compound effect is always in action. Our small smart choices we do consistently over time equal to radical difference. One of the good example in this book is that compound effect is always working either on your favor or against you. It is the little wrong things in life that you do repeatedly and compounded over time that will bite you. Elephant does not bite. Mosquito does. The drama is in the details. So pay attention to those small things that we usually overlook. They have the big effect on us if we continuously overlook them. The magic penny. This one is one of the illustrations in the book, and it says that if you were given a choice between taking $3 million in cash this very moment and a single penny that doubles in value every day for 31 days, which would you choose? Maybe you will pause for a while, but there's a big probability that you will choose $3 million right away. But if you think and pause and being smart, you may choose a single penny that doubles in value every day for 31 days, which actually the right choice. But the question is, why is it so hard to believe that choosing a penny will result in more money in the end? The answer is because it takes longer to see the payoff or the result. Compound effect works slowly, gradually, boring, laborious, and mundane. That's why few people engage in this process. But once you see the power or to harness the power of the compound effect, it always works on your favor. It will propel you towards your success. Let's go back to these choices. Say for instance, you choose a single penny against $3 million. In day 5, you will have 16 cents. Wow! 16 cents against $3 million cold cash in front of you. But you continue. In day 10, you will have $5.12. After 20 days, you will have $5,243. And the magic of compound effect happens on the 31st day when your penny is now worth $10,777,418.24. More than 3 times of $3 million that you ignored in the first place. So in this example, you can see the power of the compound effect. Its power to accumulate and to achieve the result that you want. So this example, the magic penny, is a good focus in order for us to harness the power of the compound effect. Your life success formula. It all starts from you and your choice or decision. Small smart choices that you do every day and your action, your behavior. And of course, habit, the action that you do repeatedly. Aristotle said that we are a creature of habit. We are what we repeatedly do. And it is compounded over time equals to achieving your goals. So this flow chart, examine it and apply it. You can see you plus your choice, your behavior, your habit being compounded over time equal to achieving your goals. I have illustrated here the summary Your choices, your behavior, your habit being compounded is equal to achieving your goals. No matter what you learn, what strategy or tactic you employ, success comes as the result of the compound effect by Darren Hardy. If you get value from this video, subscribe to this channel for more educational and valuable video contents. Thank you for watching.